Hello friends and crafters, welcome back to Carol's Craft Cottage. I'm happy you decided to join me today as I share a Scrapdiva Designs design team unboxing. And if you care to purchase any of these dies, they can be purchased at this website right here, www.scrapdivadesigns.com. These are all the social media contacts for Erica. If you care to go to her Instagram, TikTok, her email address, all that, I'll leave that up here for a second so you can see it. All right, and please use Carol 10 at checkout to get 10% off your entire order at Scrapdiva Designs. So let's get started. We have a Christmas Santa shaker tag. This is going to be really fun because your Santa goes right here. This is the tag in the background and you get all the pieces to create your Santa. And it is a shaker, so this is going to be fun to play with. We have the Reindeer Girl, and you can see the eyelashes and the antlers and the bow and the little ears, the center of the ears. These are the ears and the reindeer nose. How cute is that, right? I'm gonna have fun playing with that. We have the Santa bow set, and we have his boots right here, and it looks like his legs and cuffs. And then on the back, yeah, there's his legs. These are his boots and the top part of his legs. These must be the fur. Oh, and there's two sizes in here. How cool is that? So you get the pieces to decorate his boots and his cuffs on his pants there. So I'm going to have fun playing with that. Then we have a present. And this looks like, yeah, it has a bow and it has pieces to decorate all of this. This is going to be cute too for Christmas. We have a gift card envelope. And these, you know, can be used not just for gift cards, but these can be used in your junk journals for holding different little things. I know I just recently made a recipe book, but I do want to make some junk journals, and this would be perfect for that. And it looks like it has a tear top. How fun is that? I have not had a die like this before, so I'm going to have fun playing with it. And it looks like it says it enjoy, and it has some pieces here to decorate. The next one we have are the Halloween words. And in this set, we have the word Halloween, spooky, boo, scary, pumpkin, candy, and October. So not only could this be used for Halloween, but you can use October for your fall crafting, and also pumpkin can be used for fall as well. This is cool. I can't wait to play with that. Then we have this sentiment die. It has a little spider and a little spider web, and it says spooky, and it looks like it has little bats on this side. Really cute. Then we have a Hey Boo that has a little ghost. These are going to be great for your cards and your tags and little candy holders. Then this one here is Happy Halloween. It's a pretty font, and it has a background piece to cut out for this sentiment. Then we have the little bear, a winter polar bear is what it's called. I was so tickled pink to see a little bear. And these are all the little pieces to create your bear. Got little eyelashes and a nose and a mouth and ears. He's wearing a little hat and scarf. These are his arms. This is going to be fun for me. I can't wait to get my paper on that and start cutting it. The next one we have is a jack-o'-lantern girl face. Isn't that cute? Look at the little eyelashes and the bow. This is so cute. That's going to be fun to play with. This one is cookies for Santa. This is great for your mini albums that are cooking themed. So we'll see what we come up with that. This one says nice. This one says naughty. Isn't that cute? Going to be great for Christmas. And the last one I have to share with you is Hello Winter with a little snowflake. So that is my design team project unboxing to share with you today. I hope you are all doing well. And until next time, happy crafting, everybody. Bye-bye.